Story Kids Rise.
Princess Isabella and the Invisible Ink Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Princess Isabella wasn't your typical princess. While other princesses dreamed of balls and gowns, Isabella's heart belonged to dusty old books and forgotten maps. Her favorite was a battered leather-bound volume filled with tales of brave explorers and hidden treasures. One rainy afternoon, curled up by the window with her book, Isabella stumbled upon a curious passage. It spoke of a secret message hidden on a map within the book, written in invisible ink. Intrigued, Isabella spent hours experimenting. Finally, by squeezing a lemon onto a specific page, a faint message materialized: follow the whispering waterfall to the lost lagoon. Excitement bubbled in Isabella's chest. A hidden treasure in her own book. She couldn't tell anyone, of course. This was an adventure for her alone. The next day, armed with a knapsack filled with essentials, bread, cheese, and a magnifying glass, for deciphering clues, of course, Isabella snuck out of the castle. Following the directions in the book, she journeyed for hours, through sun-dappled forests and across rolling meadows. Finally, she reached a hidden clearing. A magnificent waterfall cascaded down a rocky cliff, its spray whispering secrets in the wind. Isabella knew this was it. She searched the area around the waterfall, her eyes scanning every rock and crevice. Suddenly, a glint of metal caught her eye. Tucked behind a moss-covered rock was a small, ornate chest. With a pounding heart, Isabella touched the lock. Just as described in the hidden message, the lock clicked open with a gentle tap from her magnifying glass. Inside, nestled on a bed of velvet, lay a collection of beautiful seashells, each one shimmering with an iridescent glow. They weren't jewels or gold, but Isabella couldn't have been happier. These were treasures of the sea, whispers of adventure and forgotten journeys. As the sun began to set, Isabella carefully closed the chest and started her journey back. Though she found no sparkling jewels, she had discovered a secret world, a hidden message, and a treasure all her own. Back in her room, Isabella locked the chest away, a secret smile playing on her lips. This was just the beginning, she knew. With her book of invisible messages and her thirst for adventure, Princess Isabella, the princess who loved a good mystery, was ready for her next big discovery. Princess Isabella and the Invisible Ink Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.